Welcome to Easy Office Tips, your channel for making office tasks easier. In this quick video, I will show you 4 quick formatting tips that will help instantly format text in Excel to upper, lower, or proper case and trim any additional spaces. So, 4 functions you can use on a messy user list like this. First up is the upper function, which converts any text to all uppercase. And so for this, you just enter upper and select the cell you want to convert and close the bracket. And you don't need to repeat this for every cell. And just double click on the box icon in the corner here to auto-populate the remaining rows. Next is the lower function, which converts any text to all lowercase. And again, this would be equal sign, lower, open bracket, select the cell that you want to convert, close bracket. And again, you can just hit the corner box here and it will populate for all of the remaining cells. And for a more polished look, the proper function capitalizes only the first letter of each word in the cell, which is great for names and titles. And so equal sign, proper, open bracket, the cell you want to use, close bracket, and hit enter and populate for the remaining cells. And lastly, to get rid of any unwanted spaces in the cell, you would use the trim function, which is trim, hit enter, and if you want to combine trim with any of the 3 formatting functions, for example, you can have everything in the proper format without unwanted spaces. All you have to do is just combine the trim function by adding trim in front here and add an additional close bracket. And again, populate down. And there you have it. 4 quick formatting functions to clean up your Excel data in seconds. If these tips help you save time, please give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more easy office tips every week. Also drop a comment with any questions you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.